Mass airflow sensor symptoms and replacement. You may have a situation when your engine is running roughly, stalls, does not want to idle, and you notice a black exhaust smoke. A dirty MAF sensor can cause this. Only use MAF cleaner fluid for cleaning the sensor. Or your mass airflow sensor need be replaced. Use a code reader to identify the problem. Related code P0100, P0101, P0102, P0103 and P0104, though appearances may vary, the process is similar for most vehicles. Easy step-by-step guide on how to replace a mass airflow sensor in your vehicle. Begin with the vehicle on level ground, parking brake on, turn off engine. How to replace a mass airflow sensor. Step 1. When replacing a mass airflow sensor, first locate the sensor which is positioned in the air intake tube between the air filter housing and throttle body. Note, some sensors are located inside the air filter housing. Not all cars are equipped with a mass airflow sensor. Consult a repair manual for exact component location. Step 2. Release the safety clip and gently pull the connector from the sensor. A clamp is used to attach the sensor to the air intake tube. Use a screwdriver or small socket and loosen the clamp. Step 3. Next, undo the inlet clip on both sides. There are many methods of holding the MAF in place, the principle is the same. Step 4. Once all mounting clips or bolts have been undone, lift the sensor and remove it from the engine bay. Step 5. After the sensor has been removed, inspect internal parts and electrical connector for damage. Step 6. Then, compare the old sensor to the replacement unit, they should match identically. Note, remove dust caps before installation. Step 7. Gently reinstall the sensor into the inlet and outlet tubes, ensuring a proper seal between the sensor and the tube. Step 8. After connecting the sensor to both inlet and outlet tubes, tighten the clamp and attach the clips. Step 9. Then, reattach the sensor electrical connector ensuring a small click when completely connected. Step 10. Once the sensor has been replaced, attach a code reader. Step 11. Turn the ignition key to the on position and follow the prompts to clear any codes in the system. And there you go, you just install a new mass airflow sensor in your car or truck. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.